Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Windows 11 taskbar color. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to simply navigate to any empty area on your desktop, right click on it, and then you'll be able to see the option of personalize. So simply click on personalize and you'll be redirected to personalization window. Here, you're going to click on colors and click on choose your mode. Here, it is light. If you wish to change it to dark, you can simply click on dark over here. And then you can see that it has been shifted to dark. Now, if you wish to add any custom color, then you can simply click on custom over here. And then you can choose your default Windows mode, choose your default app mode, scroll down and you're going to enable show accent color on start and taskbar. You can simply enable it and then you can simply choose the color whichever you want the taskbar to be, and the color will be changed instantly. So you can choose the color that you want to do so, and that was basically how you can change color of your taskbar. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.